The 2026 Hero HF continues to strengthen its position as one of the most reliable and affordable commuter motorcycles in the market, carrying forward the trusted legacy of the HF lineup from Hero MotoCorp. Designed primarily for daily commuters, students, and working professionals, this motorcycle focuses on practicality, durability, and outstanding fuel efficiency. The exterior design of the 2026 model remains simple yet refreshed with subtle styling updates that give it a modern touch. The front features a neatly designed headlamp with a clean cowl that enhances its straightforward commuter identity. Updated graphics on the fuel tank add a fresh and youthful character, while new color options help it stand out in the entry-level segment. Chrome accents on the exhaust and rearview mirrors provide a slightly premium feel despite the affordable pricing. The long and wide seat is carefully designed for comfort, allowing both rider and pillion to travel without discomfort even on longer routes. Its lightweight body and slim profile make it extremely easy to maneuver through busy city traffic and narrow streets. The rider interface of the 2026 Hero HF focuses on simplicity and clarity. It features an easy-to-read analog instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, and essential indicator lights. Everything is laid out clearly so that riders can quickly check information while riding. The upright handlebar position and well-balanced footpeg placement create a comfortable riding posture, reducing fatigue during daily commutes. The seat cushioning has been slightly improved to offer better long-term comfort. The overall ergonomics are practical and user-friendly, making it suitable for riders of different heights and experience levels. Every control feels sturdy and built to last, reflecting the brand's focus on durability. Powering the 2026 Hero HF is a refined single-cylinder engine designed for smooth and efficient performance. The engine delivers adequate power for city commuting while maintaining excellent fuel economy, which remains one of its biggest strengths. Acceleration is smooth and predictable, making it beginner-friendly and easy to control in heavy traffic. The gearbox shifts smoothly, ensuring a hassle-free riding experience. The engine tuning focuses on long-term reliability and low maintenance costs, which is especially important for riders who rely on their motorcycle every day. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear, providing decent comfort over uneven roads and speed breakers. The lightweight chassis improves handling and stability, allowing confident cornering at moderate speeds. When it comes to safety features, the 2026 Hero HF offers essential and dependable equipment for daily use. It is equipped with drum brakes that provide consistent stopping power, along with an integrated braking system that enhances stability during sudden braking situations. The tires offer reliable grip on city roads, and the strong frame ensures balanced performance. The headlamp provides clear visibility during night rides, while the tail lamp and indicators are bright enough to ensure visibility to other road users. While it does not include advanced electronic safety technologies, it focuses on mechanical reliability and predictable handling, which are key for commuter riders. One of the biggest unique selling points of the 2026 Hero HF is its exceptional value for money. It combines affordability, impressive mileage, and low maintenance costs into one practical package. Backed by the widespread service network of Hero MotoCorp, owners benefit from easy access to spare parts and dependable after-sales support. This strong support system increases buyer confidence and long-term satisfaction. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Hero HF is expected to remain highly competitive in the entry-level motorcycle segment, making it accessible to a wide range of customers. Its economical price combined with excellent fuel efficiency makes it one of the most cost-effective commuting options available. In conclusion, the 2026 Hero HF stands as a dependable and sensible motorcycle designed for real-world daily use. It may not offer flashy features or high-speed performance, but it delivers reliability, comfort, and affordability in a balanced and practical way, making it an ideal choice for everyday riders.